So the Nano Banana 2 is insane. Here are some images, some visuals. So here is Puff Daddy with Jeffrey. Here we have another insane image where you see Elon Musk, and at the basically computer or at the camera is Diddy, Donald Trump with a glasses, and here Donald Trump in a news. So here you can see Trump wins third term, which is not possible in USA. So first of all, what the Nano Banana is capable of. Here is another funny image where these three guys are basically playing orchestra. Here is actually some examples what the Nano Banana 2 is capable of. So here, for example, is GTA San Andreas, and make this image into a faithful masterpiece. So as you can see, image is basically turned much better. It looks like a GTA 5 or maybe GTA 6. So the graphics are improved. Here is the next image, which is quite insane. So here you can see a random lines and a ball. And here is the prompt, draw a line for the ball's path. So if we turn on gravity, that's how that ball would basically fall down, go here, then basically roll down into this one. So Nano Banana 2 did this correctly. Next image is this. So the Earth building in the red box top view. I think Nano Banana that is right now is capable of this as well. So this is nothing special in my opinion. Next, again, improved graphics for this game. Here is I make this real life. So this is a GTA Vice City. Here are some more complicated tasks. For example, turn the manga to color and translate to English. So all the text in these little fields are automatically translated in English, which is quite insane in my opinion. The next thing is generate image following texture requirements and remove instructions. So basically you can write a text or instructions on a image, and the Nano Banana 2 will turn the image and remove the instructions, which again looks ultra realistic because the man looks the same as in this image, the jeans as well, the shoes. Here we see some advanced mathematics. I don't know if this is correct. You will have to ask a mathematician because I don't know. And many people told me that ChatGPT is not capable of doing things like this because in different countries we have different basically numbers, numeration, and all that stuff. Here is another great example. Write this sentence on a wall and rotate camera 30 degrees left. So here is the wall and here is the text, and here in the next image you see the text as a graffiti, and here is the 30 degrees in the tunnel. Next one, reconstruct the ripped paper with the words written on it. So here is a ripped paper, and here you can see the AI basically put everything together perfectly. And here is another one, disassemble this toy into a component of antenna, head, body, hands, neck, and wheels. And there have been multiple signs that basically the Nano Banana 2 and the Gemini 3 Pro is coming soon. Here you can see in the Google AI Studio, this was leaked. So here you can see models Gemini 3, Pro Image Preview, Dark Launch. There was something else with a Nano Banana 2. So let's wait for that Nano Banana 2 because it looks like this will be insane, and most likely you will not be able to make images like these ones with these celebrities and with these basically people in jail. But if you're looking at the Nano Banana 2 quality, if you look at the people in the background, they look ultra realistic. There is no weird hallucinations as it is with, for example, ChatGPT image creator or Nano Banana 1. And the style of, for example, a camera. Here you can see how good it looks. This obviously looks like a 90s analog camera, and this shot from a CNN breaking news coverage for a Donald J. Trump also looks ultra realistic. In my opinion, they can even do this with VO3 if they wanted. That's why they are not releasing the VO4. They released VO 3.1, which is a little bit better than VO 3. But looking at the fact that they have YouTube, they can train their AI with YouTube. They have really large data centers which they can use for running these hard tasks. That's why, in my opinion, Google is already years ahead of Sword 2. And yeah, hopefully the Nano Banana 2 comes this week, maybe this month. And yeah, that's basically it. That's what the Nano Banana 2 is capable of, allegedly. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell so every time I upload, get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on AI news, AI alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.